You come sit by me over here. There we go. That's a good girl. And you sit with me over here. Shh. Sorry. Alright. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, will you keep your ears on? Today, we have two special guests. We're not just doing a regular Bath & Body Works candle haul. We are doing a Bath & Body Works candle haul with my Goldendoodles. That's what we're doing today. Okay, they're a little excited. Calm down. See how well they're trained. Stare at me. So we have Maximus and Bella. That's right, not Bella, Bella. And I thought it would be fun to not only do Bath & Body Works candle haul, but let them smell them and rate them and see what they think about them. Will you leave your bunny ears alone? You look cute. You look cute in your bunny ears. Come here, Bella. Everyone, let's meet Bella. You guys remember when she's a puppy? This is Bella. Bella, where are your bunny ears? Lay down. Down. And this is Max, and he refuses to look at you guys because he's too obsessed. These dang bunny ears, guys! Just wear the bunny ears! Really? Max, over here. Over here. Come on, over here. There we go. Shh. There we go. You can come lay on me. I like you. Okay, so, I thought it'd be really fun, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Give us a like. Make sure that you're following these Goldendoodly Duo on Instagram. Goldendoodly Duo. I will put it down below, you guys. It's really fun. And, yeah. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and let's get started. So I didn't get a ton of candles. I think I only got like 6. But here's the box. You guys can kind of see my box. Woo! Big box. Everybody calm down. Calm down. Okay, so let's start with this first candle here. These are summery candles, okay? So this one right here, I'll move this out of the way so you guys can see her better. This one is the White Barns FYI White Sands scented candle, and this one is supposed to be Fiji White Sands. Oh, sorry, FYI. Okay, so this first candle is the Fiji White Sands. I haven't smelled any of these candles, and I've never gotten any of these candles. They're like summery candles. This one is a fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine, and sandalwood. So let's take a sniffer. What do you think? You like that one? Smell it, Max. Max, smell it. What do you think? Smell it. He doesn't like it. I don't think they like it. Oh, this smells really, really good. Actually smells really, really, really good. Hey, none of that. None of that right now. We're not wrestling. Lay down. That one actually smells really good. This one smells clean and fresh. And I can smell the sugarcane, but it's nothing too much. Alright. Next candle. What do you think? Do you like that one? What do you think, Bea? Ooh, she likes this one. Do you see her over here? Bea, do you like this one? Ooh, this one does smell good. This one is the Waikiki Beach Coconut. She likes the coconut. So it's tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, sun-bleached woods. This does smell like coconut, but it's not obnoxious. And this is definitely the smell of what like tropical island, like a vacation would smell like to me. This smells actually really, really, really good. And I love how it's super beachy and Hawaii-ish. Okay, next. Okay, this is one that I've had before, and I re-got it because I really liked it. It's called Endless Weekend. It has fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and blue coconut water. If you don't like the strong smell of coconut and you want something that's only has light coconut scent, this is a good one. It smells really, really good, and it does smell like summer. One of my favorite fresh scents. What do you think, Max? Smell it. Do you like that one? What do you think? I don't know where my phone is. What do you think? Do you like that one? Oh, I think she likes that one. She looks happy. Oh, you don't like it. Oh, do you like it? Smell it. Smell it. Both of you. Do you think it smells good? Do you think this smells good? Hmm? I think it smells good. Do you think it smells good? Oh, you're trying to lay off of the scene. You're trying to get off the scene. Alright. Ooh, this one's called Flamingo Beach. This one is pink summer berries. Lay down in the scene. Pink summer berries, juicy orange, and dewy white petals. What do you think? You like it? What do you think? This one's very, very, it says dewy white petals are last, but I feel like that's the strongest scent. I'm not a big fan of this one. There we go. Alright, let's go next one. Ooh, this one looks pretty cool, called Island Hideaway. It's fresh sea salt, coconut water, lush rainforest cedar. Shh. Let's see. Oh, she kind of likes this one already. Max. Shh. Do you like it? Nope. Nope, she doesn't. It smells interesting. Fresh sea salt, coconut water, lush rainforest cedar. He doesn't like it. It smells clean. It smells clean and laundry-ish, which I don't mind the house smelling like laundry. This one's not my favorite though. There we go. Alright. Let's make it through before Daddy comes home and realizes you've been on his bed. Ooh, I can tell this one smells the best. This one's Island Margarita. Oh, look, he likes it. He likes it. Sweet mandarin, island mango, and sea salt. I can smell a mango. This smells very, very, very delicious. I think this one's my favorite. Bea, what do you think? Bea, what do you think? You don't like it? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? He doesn't like it. I like it. I like the coconut scent, or I like the mango scent. It smells very fresh, very nice. Max, what do you think about this one? Max, smell this. You smell it, Bea. You don't like him? What do you think? Oh, what do you guys think? Let me see you, Bea. Sit. That's cute. Give me that. Hey. Let go. These are all the candles that I got from my Bath & Body Works haul. I hope you guys liked this video. It was very quick and just fun and a way for me to share with you guys kind of the candles that I got. I think you guys would really like this Fiji one. This Fiji one is one of my favorites. The Endless Weekend is absolutely amazing. I mean, I got it again, so I really, really love it. And this mango one, if you like fruity scents, smells divine, smells delicious. Yeah, if you like mango, if you like fruits scents, you're gonna really like this one. So don't forget to go follow them on the Goldendoodle duo, you guys. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.